So if you have to close business deals, I will just give some sample examples of where a platform like KaiCube can be used. So this is just to give you an information that the potential is immense, but as with any other product, there is always a product life cycle, and there is always a stage where initially a few industries are more interested in a particular type of a product than other industries. So currently there's a lot of traction in the pharma and the auto dealerships where we see, and the real estate, where we see a lot of people, marketing teams with salespeople on the field are interested in such kind of a product. They want to empower their salespeople with a storytelling platform so that each customer feels special and he's interested. And most of these products, for example, an auto or a real estate, are high involvement products, and it's in high, or jewelry for example. In such products, customers want to feel special, and a storytelling platform is really something that will catch their attention. And what with pharma, auto dealers, jewelry, or real estate, it's a very simple thing. You have to just drag and drop KaiCube or any storytelling platform content to create a story. You have to. There are relevant stories for every meeting. You have detailed analytics for every story that is being used with the customer. You can tie it up with your CRM and have the follow-up activities of when the next appointment is to be done, what is the next story to be told. Based on the analytics, you can also see if your salesperson is doing his job well, not doing his job well, whether he needs to be given some additional training. So these kind of metrics help you to have a better sales team. And there's always a history of interactions. You can always go back, look at the analytics, see what was shared with the customer. So there's always a history maintained with what was the story told and what was the interest level of the organization. And finally, the most important is the fact that there is a consistent message. So whoever is a salesperson and whatever is the channel of interaction, the message is going to be very, very consistent. So it's going to be the same message. So every marketing organization can sit relax and think that a same message is going to a particular customer from whichever salesperson and from whichever medium. The other use case, the other use case is other use cases of remote or inside sales. So with generally, if we have to talk to a client or to a customer, we set up a web meeting or we some kind of a web interface. But with platforms like KaiCube, those things are going to be we see that as a replacement for web interfaces, because we see platforms like the storytelling platforms as a replacement to remote sales, wherein you can create a story, play it in an autoplay mode, and you can create the right advertisement that you want to target your customer, and it's going to be a very personalized advertisement. The autoplay mode will run the way you configure it to. And there's something that we are working with the remote and inside sales. It's on our roadmap where we can control what the user sees by just passing gestures across. So if there is a swipe, the swipe will be transferred on the other end, and the story at the other end will be swiped by you swiping it on your tablet. So that's the future of a platform, a storytelling platform like KaiCube and others in this space. So this is a very interesting thing. Other thing with remote sales is also the fact that you can also look at geographical maps and see where your customers are, what they are doing, and you can target. You can have a geographical targeting using a storytelling platform. So